everybody, I'm Bub. Welcome back to the Hub's Food Reviews. Go grab yourself a plate. Let's make it a date right back here at the Grub. And I got something a little special for you for today's review. And my fiance, she ordered this. I don't know how long ago it just came in. So she wanted me to review this for you guys. This is from a place called Buckeye Brownies. She found this online. They also have an Instagram as well. And they also come with this little flip card here. Thank you for your business. Flip this card over for heating and storage instructions. So what all they do, it's like they got cookies and brownies and stuff. So I'm going to open up this first box here, which she said comes with, yeah, so we have Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Damn, and you can warm them up. I'm going to probably eat mine cold. But it says you can warm these up to about 300 minutes in the oven for 5 minutes or 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave. And it looks like we got an assortment of about 6 cookies in the box, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open one of these up because, you know, once you had a cookie, you've had them all. You know, chocolate chip cookies, like Famous Amos or whatever. I mean, cookies are cookies, but I want to see how good this shit is. I will say, that is definitely a good cookie. Oh, chocolate chip. And I'm pretty sure it tastes even better with it heated up. But also, the other thing that I want to get you guys' eyes in on, from Buckeye Brownies, this is, looks like a Reese's peanut butter pie cup, pie brownie. That's a big ass brownie right there. And it looks like it's got some Nutter Butters in there too, Reese Pieces and stuff. And this is sectioned. It's a section off brownie. So I want to go ahead and take a chunk of this. I'll definitely want to try this. So it also, this is a brownie base layer with Nutter Butter cookie top with Reese Pieces cookie dough, topped with more Reese Pieces and a Nutter Butter cookie. This, guys, is a diabetic's nightmare, but this is what they would die to have right about now. So I'm going to take off a piece of this. I'm going to get a good chunk of this. I'm going to show you guys. If you diabetic, you probably want to stay away. I don't like brown. Oh my god, guys. With the Reese's Pieces. Oh damn. That is pretty good. That is. I say you could eat these however you want. I'll probably heat them up 10 seconds in the microwave just to see how better they taste. But I tell you guys, right out of the block, Reese's and Nutter Butter, that shit is slamming. So if you guys want to check them out, Buckeye Brownies, online at buckeyebrownies.com. Guys, I'm telling you, shit's bussin'.